Guys, let's take a close-up look at the Can-Am Frame Stiffener from Thumper Fab. So we start with a 3D scan of the front subframe on the Defender. This gives us precise mounting locations for the suspension and then allows us to design a very precision fit reinforcement bracket to make sure we provide strength in all the right areas. Pairs perfectly for running those larger wheels and tires, portals, anything that's going to add stress to those lower control arm mounts. This frame stiffener reinforces those tabs, reinforces that front frame section, and really helps add that extra strength for running those bigger wheels and tires and really running some aggressive stuff with their Can-Am Defender. Check it out.